Hi. Yes. Turn on the PGN. Yes. DJI Pocket 3. Hello. Hi. UVC HDMI dual mode adapter as the HDMI capture card. Webcam. Sony DVD. Webcam. Sony DVD. This is my company new product, UVC HDMI dual mode converter. It is a two-way converter. So we have 4 applications. One is UVC to HDMI, UVC webcam input, and HDMI output, and also have a UVC webcam output. The second, HDMI to UVC output. HDMI input, you can connect the input A or input B. When you connect the input A, and then it will become the UVC webcam output. The third, it is HDMI to HDMI. HDMI input and the HDMI output. It can disable the copyright HDMI video source. The second, it can turn the internet Full HD be progressive Full HD. The three, it can turn the Full HD become 4K HDMI output. So HDMI to HDMI have 3 functions. The fourth, it is a simple video switcher. If you have 2 HDMI sources, you can connect the HDMI A and the HDMI B and use your finger to switch your video source. Or you have a HDMI and the USB webcam. You can connect to the input A HDMI source, input B as a USB webcam source, and use your finger to switch the USB webcam and the HDMI video source. The first, I will demo the UVC to HDMI. I will turn the UVC webcam of Enter Mini Pro be PGA HDMI output. I will connect to this adapter. Not only this, you also have a UVC webcam bypass mode. If you want to edit the UVC webcam output, please connect this USB cable with your PC. Connect to your PC. Yes. And you will see the PGN first. Hello. And turn on your PC OBS Studio. Hello. Yes, no problem. Multi-view from the physical HDMI output of Enter Mini Pro. PGA HDMI output from the adapter PGN HDMI output. And the UVC webcam output show on the OBS Studio. The second, I will demo the Logitech webcam be HDMI output and then connect to the Enter Mini Pro. Of course, this is DJI Pocket 3. I also demo it DJI Pocket 3 be HDMI output and then connect to the Enter Mini Pro. Yes. Turn on the audio. Hello. Hi. Yes. Turn on the PGN. Yes. Of course, you also can change another webcam. For example, this is Logitech Brio 4K camera. Hi. Hello. 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 Yes. The second demo, I will demo the HDMI to UVC. It is a HDMI capture card application. And the HDMI source connect to the input A, Sony DVD player, and then touch the A, touch, okay? And then turn on the OBS Studio. Yes.
No. You know this if you had any training whatsoever.
He's got a date with the chief.
And you also have a HDMI without copyright output. Connect to the TV monitor. UVC HDMI dual mode adapter as the HDMI capture card. You also can play the Netflix. Copyright off. Connect a camcorder. Hi, hello. The third, I will demo the HDMI to HDMI function. The first, I will demo the HDMI copyright disable. This is a CanLink capture card. If you connect the HDMI source from the Sony DVD player, it do not show the video. You see? CanLink, okay? So I will edit this adapter. HDMI input, I connect the Sony DVD player. And I select the channel A. It's HDMI output. I connect to the CanLink. Turn on the OBS. It is no problem.
Oh my God.
The second, I will demo the Full HD interlace to the Full HD progressive. It is an interlace video. This one. Interlace. And then I will become the progressive. Video source connect to the HDMI input B. And then you will use your finger to touch the B, okay? And the power, I will edit the DC supply, okay? And I will connect to the TV monitor. Progressive. Interlace be a progressive output. The third, I will demo the Full HD to 4K output. This camera is Full HD output. Full HD. After HDMI connect this adapter, it will turn the Full HD become 4K output. HDMI input. And turn the channel A. And HDMI output connect to the TV monitor. You see? 4K. This one. The fourth, I will demo the simple video switcher. I will connect two HDMI video sources, or I will demo the HDMI and the USB webcam video source. Connect to this adapter and use your finger to do the video switch. Input A, I connect the Sony DVD. The input B, I connect the camcorder. And then USB output connect to the PC. Yes, and wait. You can use your finger to switch A, B, or side by side, or PIP. I turn on the OBS Studio. I switch. You also can set up the audio source. You need connect a USB cable with your PC. And turn on the browser. Tap 172.20.13.168. Enter. Okay, you will see this web page. If your PC is Chinese, you will show the Chinese word. If your PC is English, you will show the English word. We go to the set up the audio mix. Okay, if you use this one, the audio will be switch the channel. Okay, if you do not use this one, it will mix audio. And this is all of audio mute, mute. Okay, I will use the switch. You also can change your video source. The second HDMI, I use the webcam to replace it. Use the Logitech webcam. I connect to the USB in. And you also can use your finger to switch the video source. Okay. Sony DVD. Webcam. Sony DVD. Let me summarize this product. This product is very powerful for the UVC HDMI video convert. It can turn the UVC be HDMI output and the HDMI be UVC webcam output. The output is HDMI and UVC at the same time together. Of course, it also can do the simple video switch, but you need to set up the audio parameter. Audio always turn on, or the audio follow the switch. I am not recommend you use the audio application, because the audio application you need go to the PC to set up something. It is a good HDMI to HDMI application. HDMI copyright disable and interlace to progressive Full HD be 4K HDMI output.